Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make dark mode on TikTok. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Now tap on your profile picture at the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Next, tap on the 3 lines option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Now, locate the Settings and Privacy option at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down the menu, find the Display option and tap on it. Step 6. Now find the Dark Mode option. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Final step. For the last and most important step, tap on the Dark Mode option to turn it on instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.